Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. On January 9th, 2025, the defense, in compliance with Judge Stephen Hippler's January 6th, 2025 scheduling order, submitted their evidence in support of their motions to suppress, which are set for hearing on January 23rd, commencing at 9 o'clock a.m., and may possibly spill over to the 24th if necessary, pursuant to Judge Hippler's prior order of October 9th, 2024, setting aside these two dates for the motions to suppress for oral argument. On January 6, 2025, the court ordered under paragraph 1 of the scheduling order, quote, the defendant shall disclose its witnesses, exhibits, and expert opinions, if any, to the court and state by January 9th, 2025. If you go to the Idaho cases of judicial interest, and you can pull them up on your search engine, that web page, or look at the link that I have provided in the description to this podcast episode, you will see that the first document under the style of the Idaho versus Kohberger case is the case summary page. If you click on that link and you go down to January 6th, 2025, you will see this court order. This court order is also on the docket. It's a public docket. If you go further down to January 9th, you will see that there are items filed under seal demonstrating that Mr. Kohberger on the 9th of January met this deadline by filing items under seal, his exhibits, his witness list. Unfortunately, because they are filed under seal, the public, unlike this scheduling order of the 6th of January, will not have an opportunity to review what Mr. Kohberger filed on January 9th, 2025. But again, the fact that these items are on the docket demonstrate that Mr. Kohberger did indeed comport with paragraph 1 of the January 6th, 2025 scheduling order. The next paragraph of that January 6th, 2025 scheduling order states that the state of Idaho shall disclose its witnesses, exhibits, and experts' opinion, if any, to the court and to the defense by January 16th, 2025. So when that item hits the docket, we will, of course, update you. Finally, this scheduling order of January 6th directs the defense to disclose any rebuttal disclosures to the court and state by January 21st, 2025. This is 2 days before the hearings on the multiple motions to suppress evidence. We will, of course, update you when those items appear on the case summary page. The fact that these items of January 9th are under seal suggests that some, if not all, of the hearings on the motions to suppress may be possibly closed to the public. Judge Stephen Hippler has not yet set a schedule for the hearings and advised the public if they will be closed or open to the public. We will, of course, also advise you of when that scheduling order for the 23rd is set. This will now conclude this episode of the Indie Zone podcast. Thank you for joining us here today.